Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jamie Graff, and you're here with the BIB Lifestyle. Be your best body, where we eat for health. I have got another incredible participant coming to take the BIB Lifestyle Full Meal Challenge. This guy's a bit different from all the last. You guys want to meet this gentleman. His name is David. David, come on out here.
Hey, Jamie.
How are you?
Good. Happy to be here today.
Happy to have you.
Thank you.
So, let's say hello to the world out there.
Hi, guys. How are you?
So, David is a friend of mine, and he wants to take the BIB Lifestyle Full Meal Challenge. David, do you have any health conditions you're dealing with right now?
No, I would say I'm in good health. My doctor's always told me I'm in good shape.
Yeah.
But I'd like to put on some lean muscle this summer. I've always felt like I was kind of underweight relative to my height.
Yeah. How tall are you?
I'm 6 feet tall.
6 feet tall. And what do you weigh, if you don't mind me asking?
About 135, 138.
135, 138. You fluctuate right there at 6 foot tall. That's pretty lean for your height. Yeah,
Totally.
But I believe that's a healthy, it's a healthy weight,
So no health conditions, but...
Yeah. Have you done much exercise throughout your life, or is this just David growing up?
I've always been kind of around this weight in my adulthood, plus or minus a little bit of running and yoga.
Yeah. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to incorporate the BIB lifestyle with some exercising for David. And we're going to do 3 days of exercise a week.
Okay.
Because we want to do some very strenuous exercises. I know you're dealing with that tennis elbow that we discussed before. We're going to make sure that we don't interfere with that. We're going to do some things that we're going to work your entire body 3 days a week and make sure you get a lot of rest.
Okay.
And we're just going to pack you with all the nutrients so that he gets a huge chemical reaction and he packs on some weight just in the next 8 weeks. How does that sound?
Sounds great.
Sounds great.
Ready to go.
All right. Are you excited about this?
Yeah, I can't wait to start.
Have you been committed to something like this before?
I have been, but not with the same nutritional component.
Okay.
So like 5 days of exercise, but probably eating a little bit like, mixed bag of nutrition.
Yeah. Well, this is going to be a great challenge for David. It's going to be a great challenge for me. And for all of you guys out there that possibly want to gain weight, gain some more muscle mass, this would be a great season for you to pay attention to. We're going to show you the exercises. We're going to show you the food that he's going to be eating. He's going to definitely be getting the BIB Lifestyle root powder packs. That's going to help to boost his testosterone naturally from some ancient root powders. He's going to be getting the BIB Lifestyle seed power packs right here with more nutrients, because that's what we need, is all these different incredible nutrients that are feeding your cells. And with that food, we're going to tear that muscle tissue and we are going to pack on some weight for this guy.
Okay, let's go.
All right. So we want to thank David for being here. This is the introduction to the world. David is coming at you with the BIB Lifestyle Full Meal Challenge. Stay tuned for the next 8 weeks for what we got coming for you guys. And always remember, be your best body.
Thanks, Jamie.
Absolutely.